I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both cameras are physically and logically present. That makes switching reliable. First, attach each camera using the best interface you have: USB for webcams, HDMI into capture cards, or NDI for network sources, and power them. Once connected, open OBS and create or choose a scene collection. Make sure canvas and output resolutions match your target. Next, add 2 video capture device sources, 1 per camera, and label them so you never confuse them during a live switch. Once both sources are in OBS, you need to make them look cohesive and behave predictably. Arrange and scale each camera in the scene, crop where necessary, and lock the transform to prevent accidental changes. Then balance white, exposure, and frame rates so cuts are smooth. If you see audio drift, enable buffering or add a small sync offset. Also set up dedicated scenes or use studio mode and multi-view to preview shots, and assign hotkeys so you can swap cameras instantly during recording or streaming. To finish, run a complete test. Record or stream a short segment while switching between cameras, and verify audio stays mapped correctly and system load is acceptable. If a camera drops or freezes, first try toggling the source off and on, reconnecting cables, or restarting OBS. Then check capture drivers and USB bandwidth. Once stable, save your scene collection and OBS profile, export settings as a backup, and jot down hotkeys so you can recover quickly if anything goes wrong next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.